Alright, what's up everybody? We're back with another video, and in today's video we're going to be putting up frame strips, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so we got a couple bundles of, I think they're 1x3 frame strips, and we're going to be putting in a drop ceiling in here. So right now Cole's measuring out the border. So what we're going to do is we're going to have to put a border around the entire room, and then from there we have our ceiling joists that run this direction at 16 on centers, so that's good. It's an old house. We were a little worried that maybe they did something weird and that wasn't the case, but it is 16 on center, so the amount of wood we got is correct. I got it earlier this morning, and that's what we were planning on. We're gonna run the strips perpendicular to the joists and then put in a drop ceiling.
So we're almost done doing the border, as you can see. Pretty simple stuff, just measure. So I guess one thing we learned that we'll relay the info: don't screw them too close to the end when you have like thin, cheaper boards, because it'll split and then it's not good.
Yeah. We just have this side left. It's 89.5. Then we got that little piece to put in. Oh, here's a workstation. So we got this already marked up at 89.5. Bought this bad boy last time we were in here.
Oh, yeah.
$50 for an 8-foot table, compared to $50 for some sawhorses, and then you have to pay for the wood to go on top. So I'm happy with the purchase. If Cole, you want to cut that real quick, if you see my marks, we'll send a cut downrange for you guys. Perfect. So we'll throw that one up, we'll throw the last piece up, and then we're gonna have to find the joists. So we gotta find where the ceiling joists are. To do that, we have this low spot in the ceiling right here that it's gonna affect our drop ceiling anyways. So we're gonna cut that out, find our joists, and then they're 16 on center like I said before. We need to find 2 of them, and then we'll be able to measure out where each one is after that, so we can put the rest of the frame strips up. So we're gonna grab a multi-tool, cut that out, we put that down. Like everything else, it's lathe or lathe, whatever you guys call it. I don't know what it's called, but it's gross. It's gonna fall everywhere.
Yep.
Anything else?
I think that's it. We're gonna have a mess to clean up.
Definitely. Oh yeah. Looks good to me.
Here, can you bring over that other trash bag? Maybe we can take out like the big chunk before it's...
Alright, so we just got all of our chalk lines up for where our joists are. Took us a while. So you can see the lines. Boom, 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 all the way down. Now we have to find the center of the room. Once we find the center of the room, we're gonna go 6 inches and have our first strip, and then 6 inches this way, have our first strip, and then we're gonna go from there, both sides of the room.
So we started putting these in perpendicularly, 12 inches apart. We measured from this side right here, and then we'd go 12 inches, put a line, and we'd line up to there. rather than measuring from center to center, because then there's a lot of guessing and you can't see this. And then it also could be cockeyed one way or the other way. But with a line right down the edge, you can line up your board here. I have a line down here for mine. He has a line over here. And once they're both there, these should be completely parallel and 12 inches apart the whole way. That's what we're aiming for. It looks all right now. So yeah, that's what we've been doing.
Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. We're putting the full boards up first, and then we're gonna have to come over here and start cutting some.
Oh yeah.
So we'll get this done, and then catch back with you guys when we have the cut boards to put up. All right, so Cole had to leave. We just got done with what we had. We need to go and buy some more strips, but we just got done putting up all the strips we did have. Me and Cole put up the rest of the full boards, and then after he left, I just put up the rest of the partial boards that we had left. So we need 4 more, and then we'll be finished with that. We're probably not going to videotape us coming back and finishing because it's all the same. There's nothing else to it. We did what we could today, and we'll go on to another project for the next video. So we appreciate anyone who's watching. Drop a comment if you're also in the business of do-it-yourself.